Aduang Kapampangan ding memayagpag king metunga koi competition king Quezon City agaganapan para karang koi hobbyist king mabiluga Pilipinas. Pakibaluan taming mabiluga detali king report ng JD Manaloto.
King mayaring 2013 Philippine Koi Show ang may ganap king Quezon City. Nung no ka rin 40 koi hobbyist king mabiluga bansa deng milaban-laban. Aduang Kapampangan deng meni muna king misabing ligligan dareng epang karaniwan at mga malasan aawsan dang koi. Ing koy apelagwandang Magic Carp ng Mikey Romero at Tubong Angeles ing meni ko ang Grand Champion. Kabang iskandya naman, abandi ng Nelson Castro at Tubong San Fernando ing may kasungkit king Grand Champion B. Iti na ing kalimang banwa ang magaganaping Philippine Koi Show at tatatag na banwa-banwa ng Koi and Ponds. Metong kareng peka maragula koi dealers king bansa. Anam lang koi breeders ahapon at metong nga Amerikano ding migsilbing hurado ning ligligan. Para kareng organizers, maragulya kanong sauping ligligan akalupa na niti, bang palaganapan ng koi industry at sopal na rin koi hobbyist keti bansa.
We wanted to first give it back to the hobbyists, give them an opportunity to show yung koi keeping skills nila. Para siyang magandang kotse. You don't just keep it sa garage. You want to bring it out.
Kareng migit atlong dala na koi fish ang milaban-laban. Deng asa ng Castro ilang menikwang peka marakalagalalal, amiras 13 tropeo. Para kanu kang Castro, masanting la kanong sesesen deng koi fish. Uling makarelax lang alben, anya therapeutic la kanu kaya reti.
Makakala ko stress at saka therapeutic lang talaga na rin nasan. Migising ko nga ba, asan? Mapayag mo matutod, asan? Wala mo asan na yung kaya ko eh. Kaya na bago bro eh.
At nung bisa naman kanong manikwang tropeyo o galal kalupa na niti ing metong ako'y hobbyist, maulaga kanu ang mag-invest ne, kareng mga santing breed ning koi iti.
Bisa kang manyesek ko, mag-invest na kang masanting. Gumastos na kang bagya, pero you get the best koi. Kaya competition at ikan chance mo. Yung mga kanyan yung advice ko, kaysa kitang sali ka local, wala na naman chance. So, mag-invest lang dito.
Para naman king malambat ng koi hobbyist ay Mikey Romero. Panaw na kanu, bang mitatagya ing peka mumunang Philippine Koi Club, bang lalo pang palaganapan ing industriya ning pamanyese koi keti Pilipinas.
It's about time. Koi is a growing hobby here in the Philippines, not just here in Manila, but all around the Philippines. And it's our task to make it bigger, to make our fellow hobbies understand it much better.
Manimunaya ing bansang Hapon, king koi breeding nung no karin megumpisaya ing industriyang ini, anya pang 1820s. Kabang bingot ya pamu kanong aturing ing Pilipinas karas king industriyang ini.
Japanese koi is quite far away. I mean, much better, much better. But the Philippine Koi Show getting better every year, step up. The most important is you have to keep your koi like your children.
Well, it's really difficult to compare because it's two different, completely different areas, right? But the fish here, they're really nice. It's interesting to see how the keeping style is different. So Japanese water and Philippine water is definitely different. So certain colors develop more strong here, where in Japan they come out a little bit slower, and vice versa with like.
At bilang patunay king ulaga ng galal, ami daon kareng adwa tamong kabalen. Segawa dereng huraduing aman wandang ceremonial tos karela. Antimo king magagawa king All Japan Koi Show, apani napandang tagunan at pakyabayan deng balang hobbyist. Manibatan king Quezon City, ako po JD Manaloto para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu, king Balen Susuy.